This is the Iron Trader. The pits just closed here about 5 minutes ago here at 2:30. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, we had the rig count there on Friday at 1 p.m. and OPEC meeting on August 4th. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old daily chart. Now, if you watched my video this morning, you'll notice that I pointed out this key 8 SMA now sitting at 75.52. The price currently is 75.78, so we're just a hair above. Now, today's high was 76.15. You say, well, why did it go there? So always look to the left of the chart. We look at this candle. Where is it? 76.15. Okay, so always look to the left of your chart. That is going to be your resistance levels. Okay, so now if you get above that, then what we want to do is we want to keep looking at these candles here. So we want to look at yesterday's high. You're looking at 76.87, and then we have a nice retest there at 77.30. Your big deal here is going to be this 200-day sitting at 77.24. Now, if you can close above that, then what we do, we start looking to these candles here. So what you have is you got 78.39. We have 79.18, and then we just keep working ourselves all the way up. 81.24. You have 82.71, and then your big retest there is 83.53. Those would be your targets if you can close above that price channel and that 200 SMA. Now, on the downside, you always want to watch this 8 SMA here. Okay, so far it's holding in there. So watch 75.52. And then another key level here you want to watch here is going to be this 100 area here. Okay, this thing is sitting here at 73.66. And then again, if that's lost, then we looked at a 72.53, your 21-day, and then we look at your 50-day 71.79. Okay, those are all your key support levels. You can look at the top of these candles and bottom of these candles and the closing numbers to get, tighten that resistance and support up a little bit. But all these SMAs are your key levels here. Just keep it simple. Don't get everything all complicated. You can make a lot of money. Just keep it simple, okay? Never overtrade, never overthink it, kind of a situation here. So right now, just watch this 8 SMA. And if that's lost, then we know exactly where to go. Okay, if it can go above this 200 SMA here, then we know where it's going to go. Okay. So let's take a look here on a weekly and on a monthly chart. Okay, you have your monthly chart here. Now, your key support level here obviously is going to be this 72.80. That's your 200 SMA. Now, if you look close, I've always pointed out this 8 SMA here. Okay, so if you look at it, it's sitting at 75.31. So your price is above that, but just barely. So you really need to get above, if you can, right there, 85.19. Over the long term on a monthly chart, that's where the target is going to be. Okay, now we take a look here on the weekly. Well, what we want to do is just always look at your key support levels here. You got your 21 sitting at 73.83, and then we have your 8-day sitting at 72.32. On the upside, you want to look at this high right here. You're looking at 76.87. Then we look right there at 77.33. Big if, close above, then there's your target right there. 78.81 if you can get above that key 77.24, that 200-day on your daily chart. This would be the next target. And then obviously you can just work your way up here. And your big target there is going to be 83.53. That's the retest. And then we have your 100-day just right above that, sitting at 85.11, which lines up very nicely here with this 21-day here sitting at 85.19. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natty gas, your hourly chart and your 4-hour chart. Now, natty gas had a really good day today. Let me see, it was up about 15 cents, not too bad. And all right here off of this double bottom right here, okay? See this candle right here? Right there, you're sitting at 2.49. This candle right here, 2.48. That's your double bottom. There she goes. Now, she went right on up here. Went sideways, and when it came down, you notice that it did hold that 50 SMA here, really nice, and then went sideways, and then today she just powered right on up here to 2.78. Okay, that is going to be your resistance levels. Okay, so now here on your 4-hour chart here, you had a really nice climb up, and then we had a series of lower highs, took it right on down. Now, today's high so far was 2.788. Okay, so I always say look to the left of this chart. So what we do is we look at this candle right here. What do you got? You got a high of 2.793. That was your resistance level here. That's where she went to. Okay. Now again, if you can close above, then we go to this candle here. Okay. Very easy. 2.82, and then get above. Then you retest 2.87. Okay. So always look to the left of your chart there. No matter if it's an hourly, 4-hour chart, a tick chart, whatever. That's usually where it's been is where it's going to go. All right. Let's take a look here on the old daily. Okay, daily chart. You see where it had a really, really nice a day today. Went above over this 8 SMA here, which is sitting at 2.629, and then above this 21 day, sitting at 2.65, and she settled in here really nicely. Now, you want to watch these candles here. Okay, so you had 2.78. So you want to just keep working your candles right on up here. That was 2.75. That went higher. Okay, so then we look at here, 2.793. That was the double top that I pointed out earlier. And then we have right here, you got 2.82. And then we have 2.87. That is your price channel there. Okay, so now again, if it goes above, then right here, this is the candle you want to look at, 3.027. That will be the target if you can get above that price channel. So that is your upside. On the downside, remember, watch that key 21 SMA here. Watch this key 8 SMA here. And then if that is lost, then we come down to your 50, SMA 2.477. And then we have the Yo Hondo there sitting at roughly 2.4. Okay, so obviously it had a really good day today. I scalped some Boyle there today. I got 4 points out of that. So that was actually a pretty good trade. So we got to see how it's all gonna shake out here. All right, I'll be back tomorrow morning there before 8 o'clock, and we will review crude oil and natural gas. Thanks for watching.